Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to download or install the Steam on your PC or on your MacBook, okay, in just a few steps. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we need to visit on this Steam and go to this welcome to Steam. And after that, as you can see here, there's a install Steam button here, and click that one. Click install Steam through your Mac. Okay, now, so if you click this save, it will start downloading. So if the file is already downloaded, you just have to click to double click that one, and you just have to drag it to your applications. Okay, so that's how are you going to install and download the Steam application. So once it downloaded, you just have to open it. Okay, just have to wait, guys. So after the installation, okay, just have to wait. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, we have here this Steam, and you can also log in your account. Okay, I'm gonna log in mine. Just have to scan with your phone or in order for me to log in. Okay, so just have to wait. Okay, it's now loading. So there you go, guys. We successfully opened our Steam application on our MacBook. So here, guys, you can see here, guys, a lot of vertical games. Okay, we also have free games here in our Steam. So that's it, guys. That's how we're going to download and install the Steam. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam app. Okay, thank you.